right, take 3. Now we're in traffic. Let's see how far I can make it this time without catching somebody. Been a lot of motorcycles out today. Got a bug in the helmet. There's Fontana Lake. It looks dry. Dry. They actually did some patchwork over the winter. That's odd. We're in Swain County right now. Is this Swain? No, this is inbred Graham County. We're still in inbred Graham County. This part of 28 was terrible last year. So let's see what this looks like. I expect it to be just as bad. They have not touched this. Oh, look at this patchwork. What's this going to be, a whoop-de-doo? That wasn't too bad. This whole road needs to be repaved, though. They did a terrible job over there. But if you watch my videos from last year, you'll see me complaining about that oncoming lane. That oncoming lane's really bad in a lot of places. Yeah, that lip's enough to throw you off a motorcycle at speed. Good thing I don't speed. Let's hope that they did that patchwork just to get it ready to repave. Fingers crossed. Fontana's been doing some upgrades. I believe they remodeled their rooms. I saw a lot of their old stuff from like the 50s and 60s was at a local auction house for sale. It might be a cool vacation getaway for you to check out Fontana Village sometime, especially if it has modern amenities like Wi-Fi, new beds. That's my thing at a hotel. I like staying at a new hotel that has new beds. Find a brand new Marriott, you've almost won the lottery. There are not a lot of bikes out today. I think I've only seen one sport bike. And it was like a ZX14 or something. I think it was a ZX14. Not exactly the best bike for riding up here. Might be a little bit too big.